The happiness myth. Hello, this is One Shot to the Future. You probably heard that dopamine is the happy hormone. You think it gives you pleasure when you eat cake or win a game. Wrong. Dopamine is not about enjoying the reward. It is about wanting the reward. It is the molecule of more. It screams, go get it, chase it, buy it. But the moment you actually get it, dopamine drops to zero. That's why you feel empty right after achieving a goal or buying that expensive bag. Dopamine is a promise of happiness, not happiness itself. Cheap dopamine versus expensive dopamine. Your brain is designed to seek dopamine, but there are two ways to get it. 1. Cheap dopamine, scrolling TikTok, eating sugar, watching porn. It requires zero effort and gives an instant spike. 2. Expensive dopamine, finishing a project, working out, building a business. It requires pain first, reward later. The problem is, your brain is efficient, lazy. If it can get dopamine from swiping a screen, why would it work hard to build a business? Cheap dopamine is hijacking your motivation. You are not lazy. You are just chemically satisfied by cheap garbage. You are a drug addict. Let's be real. If you can't put down your phone for 10 minutes, you are an addict. You are frying your dopamine receptors. When your baseline is set so high by instant gratification, normal tasks like reading or working feel incredibly boring. You have lost the ability to tolerate boredom. And boredom is where success is built. Dopamine detox. You need a reset. Cut off the cheap sources. No social media, no junk food, no gaming for a week. It will be painful. You will feel withdrawal symptoms. But as your receptors heal, your motivation for hard things will return. Starve the distraction. Feed the focus. Use that hunger to hunt for real achievements, not digital likes. Stop chasing the cheap high. Go for the expensive high. It lasts longer. In the next video, we will reveal the boring truth about success. Success is boring. Thank you. This was One Shot to the Future.